Hey there, this is Melanie with Vintage Makeovers from Melanie. And today we are going to upcycle this old ratty sofa into something pretty fun. Found this decrepit, wonderful antique here. This vintage piece. It's seen its better days though. Most important, this one. This is for getting under all the upholstery nails and pulling out all the staples, all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and we'll find out what's in here. It's taking me a long time to do this video and I have to blame one thing, two things, Carrie and this. I went to Colorado to see my longtime best friend, Carrie, hanging out with her and her son, and she pulls out a puzzle. And she says, let's do this. Wearing gloves and a mask is probably a good idea when you're doing this kind of demo. Follow me on Facebook at Windmill Vintage Designs to see more of this kind of stuff. Me, Carrie, her son Josh, we hang out and we do this puzzle for 3 days. So I got it all off. I used White Swan by DIY to paint my frame. Okay, so it's time to start building the seat and the back. Get your measurements from front to back and cut your board just a little bit longer so you can make some fine cuts with the jigsaw. We stayed up in the morning till 4:30. Twice trying to get this puzzle done. And I'm just going to draw a line flush up against underneath here. All right, so I have my line. Using your line for a guide, cut that off with the jigsaw. Going to fit right there. And I cut 2 more boards the same measurement. So I come home from Colorado and I've got this puzzle in my mind still. It was so satisfying. Every time you find a piece, Carrie goes, bam! So you can see that I cut this out. Absolutely not perfect, but you know what? I will take it. To get my curves right on this top portion, I used a piece of paper and made a template. Using my finger, I made an indentation along the lines to show me exactly where I needed to cut on the top and the bottom. Traced over my indentions with a pencil, that way I could see the lines better, then transferred it to the wood. I sanded my boards and I stained them with Minwax, which is super stinky. Not my first choice, but I love the color. I got 1,000 pieces. I was feeling too confident. I've been trying to finish this and make this video for a couple days now, and I keep getting stuck trying to find puzzle pieces. It's amazing how getting back to something basic, like a puzzle, can bring people together and get good friend time, family time. Thank you guys for watching, and tell me in the comments below if you have a hard time leaving something undone, because that's really what it comes down to.